Hi, I'm MathYan. For more special mathematics lessons, please click like and subscribe. Special multiplication part 8. Very effective dynamics in calculations. In this lesson, you will learn about doubling and halving method. In this lesson, you must be good at 2 times table only. Double digit times 2 and double digit divided by 2. But the double divide by 2 only for even numbers only. 2 times 32. Double of 2 is 4, double of 3 is 6. So 2 times 33 is 64. 2 times 35, double of 3 is 6, double of 5 is 10, but only one digit allowed, so you need to carry the 1 to the 6 becomes 70. So 2 times 35 is 70. 42 divided by 2. Half of 2 is 1, half of 4 is 2. So 42 divided by 2 is 21. 32 divided by 2. You're unable to halve 3, so you have 2. But then there's one, this one you need to carry to 12. So half 12 is equal to 6. So 32 divided by 2 is 16. In this lesson, normally we need to double numbers like 15, 25, 35, 45, 55 for easy calculations. You need to double a number and half the other number as well to balance up. One double, one half. Double means times 2, half means divide by 2. But make sure you double the correct number and half the correct number. 16 times 15. Half 16 and double 15. For easy calculations, do not half 15 or double 16. Half 16 is equal to 8 and double 15 is equal to 30. So 8 times 30 is 240. So 16 times 15 is equal to 8 times 30. So it's equal to 240. (18 times 45). So half 18 and double 45. Half 18 is 9, double 45 is 90. So 9 times 90 is 810. So 18 times 45 is equal to 9 times 90 is equal to 810. What about this 22 times 35? Is equal to 11 times 70 is equal to 770. What about this 24 times 35? So it will be equal to 12 times 110. 12 times 110. 12 times 11 is 132. So you just add and 0 behind. So 1320. What about this? 26 times 15. Half 26 is 13. Double 15 is 30. So it's 13 times 30. So it's 390. What about 68 times 5? 68 is the half. 68 is 34. Double 5 is 10. So it's 340. Half a number, double up the other number. Make sure you double up the number with the 5 at the back. For more special multiplication method, please look out for the next video. Special multiplication part 9. Thank you.